AHASA ONE Sky Bridge, which is sitting 100 meters above the ground, is getting installed, is getting lifted to its correct place. And this represents the culmination of a lot of hard work from a variety of world-class agencies, starting from the designers to execution by L&T, and especially their special projects division. I like their motto. They say that what nobody else can do, we can do. So this most complex piece of engineering has been done by them, and L&T have executed it flawlessly. With a lot of help from Girish Dravid and company, Thornton Tomasetti, a variety of engineers, the whole ITC Hotels team and the engineering project side working with them. So it's a huge effort and a very satisfying one. So it's 2,000 tons over 3 floors, lifted at one go. Amazing. Stand jacks, very safe, wonderful experience.